I'm here live in Cebu for the anti-dengue campaign led by Dr. Asuncion Anden. Now, Dr. Asuncion Anden, I heard that the campaign of yours was very successful 2011-2010. What made it so successful?
Well, I owe it to my colleague, Dr. Wyben Briones, of the Medical Society office in Manila, Cebu City. It was because of her leadership skills that led us to produce positive results.
Well, do you think it would produce more positive results this year?
It surely will. We have over 9,000 volunteers that came to help us in our anti-dengue campaign. Those are the Philippine National Red Cross and the Zonta International. There are some volunteers now.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Anden. Now, let's move on to those people who helped make this possible, the volunteers. Sandra, how are they doing there?
Here I am, Alan, with the volunteer, Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, was it difficult for you to pursue the anti-dengue campaign?
Actually, it was difficult to create the larvicide and place it to kill the larvae of the mosquitoes. There were many of us working to kill the larvae, and they came from different organizations such as CMS, DOH, Philippine National Red Cross, Zonta International, and many others. Together, we worked hard, and I can say that our efforts paid off. Today, there are less cases of dengue in Cebu, which is what we wanted. You know what, it is actually wonderful to taste the fruit of our labors.
Yes, hard work pays off sooner or later. Thank you, Mr. Charles, for your time.
You're very much welcome.
Once again, I am Alessandro Capistrano, together with Mr. Alan Silva, reporting to you from Cebu City.